Hi friends, I'm Marasi. Welcome to Groovy Max. In our past videos, we were discussing about the addition, isn't it? Yes, we are continuing with it. And there we saw for the numbers ending with 0, either with 0 or the last digit totaling to be 10. Such kind of number, we were doing the mental addition, isn't it? Yes, today, now we are going to see about mental addition for any two-digit number. Let it be any number. There is no condition here. Number may be of any type. For those two-digit numbers, today we are going to see the mental addition. Can we go? Come on. So, sutra used for the mental addition is of any number is Sankalana Vivakalanabhyam. Sankalana means addition and Vivakalanam means subtraction. So the meaning of this sutra is Sankal by addition and by subtraction. Sankalanam is addition and Vivakalanam is subtraction. Okay, come on, let's go for the problem. The first sum 28 and 54. I'm having two numbers here. I want to add these both the numbers or a two-digit number. How I can add it mentally? Adding 28 and 54 mentally is really somewhat. It would take some time, isn't it? Yes, but how can we add it? To add it, what I'm going to do is I'm going to make one of my digit a multiple of 10. Okay. I can add any number with a multiple of 10, isn't it? Yes, it would be easier for me as we have seen before too. And now what I'm supposed to do, I have to make a single number a multiple of 10. Which number I have to make it? I'm having two numbers here. I'm having 28 and I'm having 54. Which number I have to make it as a multiple of 10 and how I have to make it as a multiple of 10? Which number ends is closer to the 10, multiple of 10. See here, 28 and 54 is here, 28 and 54, and have you noted it? 28 is much closer to a multiple of 10, and it is much closer to which number? It is much closer to 30. So I can make this 28 as 30 just by adding a 2 to it, isn't it? Yes. So now I'm going to make this 28 a 30 by adding a 2 to it. Then in 54 what I have to do? I have to subtract that 2 which I have added here for this 28. I have added a 2. From where? Will it jump from somewhere? No. As I have added here, immediately what I'm supposed to do is I have to subtract this 2 from the very next digit. Okay, I'm adding a 2 to 28 and immediately I'll subtract a 2 from the next number. Okay, so it's here, it's 54. So subtracting it will give me 52 and 28 plus 2 will give me 30. 30 plus 52 will give me 82. Isn't it simpler? Then 28 plus 54. That is also 82. Isn't it? Yes. Okay. Come on, let's go for the next sum. 45 and 79. Say which number is closer to a multiple of 10 here? Is 45 is closer to a multiple of 10 or a 79 is closer to a multiple of 10? 79 is closer to the multiple of 10, isn't it? Yes. 79 is much closer than the 45. So I'll consider 79 here. 79, what I'll be getting for 79? If I have to make it a multiple of 10, I have to get 80. How I'll how I'll be getting 80? I can get 80 by adding 1 to it, isn't it? So I have to add 1 to 79 and immediately I have to subtract 1 from that 45, isn't it? So it will become 79 plus 1 is 80 and 45 plus 45 minus 1 will give me 44. So 80 plus 44 will give me 124. Okay. Okay, next sum 66 plus 57. 66 and 57, 6 here and 7 there. 7 is much closer than 6, isn't it? So I'll convert the 57 to a multiple of 10. So how I can convert the 57 to multiple of 10? Just by adding 3. If you have practiced before, Seeing the 7 itself, you can say that you need a 3, isn't it? You know the combination which leads to the 10, isn't it? So, 57, for 57 to make it a multiple of 10, which is 60. To make it so, I need 3. So, I'll add the 3 to the 57 and see at the same time, I'll subtract 3 from my 66. Okay. So, 57 plus 3 will give me a 60. 66 minus 3 will give me a 63. So 60 plus 63 is equal to 123. So 66 plus 57 is also 123. Okay, is it clear? Okay. What will be the next sum? 56 plus 86 is my next sum. Okay. Now what I'm supposed to do? I have to make my larger number. See here, 56 also ends in 6. 86 also ends in 6. So what I'll do here, I'll make my larger digit. Which is the larger digit here? The larger digit here is 86. I'll make my 86 as a multiple of 10. To make the 86 as multiple of 10, what I'm supposed to do? I have to add 4 to it. When I add 86 plus 4, at the same time I have to subtract 4 from the 56. So 56 minus 4. 86 plus 4 will give me a 90 and 56 minus 4 will give me a 52. So 90 plus 52 will give me 142. Okay, is it clear for everyone? Okay, good. The next sum is 42 plus 74. See here, I am having numbers 2 and 4. To make 2 and 4 to the next multiple of 10 would be harder, isn't it? They have to add either 8 or 6. But it will be easier if I make this 2 or a number ending in 2 or in 4 to the previous multiple of 10. Isn't it? Yes. Making it to the next multiple of 10 will be a very much tedious process and it will be lengthy too and it would be somewhat confusing. But making this number to a multiple of 10 before it. Just we are going to use the simple concept just like rounding off. If you are having to have a number ending with above 5 and above 5, if you have so, we can go for the addition and we can make it as a next multiple of 10. By the same time, if we have a number ending with which are less than 4, number digits which are less than 5, it may be 1, 2, 3 or 4. If we have such digits, then we can go for the previous multiple of 10. Okay, the very same concept which we use for the rounding off. For our easy and comfortable calculation, we are going to follow the same thing here. Okay, so how I can make this 42 to the previous multiple of 10. So previous multiple of 10 is 40. So 42 will be made 40. For that, what I have to do? I have to reduce the 2 from that 42. I have to reduce 2 from that 42. Okay, I'll reduce the 2 from that 42 and again I'll add the 2 to the next digit. I'll reduce the 2 here and I'll add the 2 there. We are doing the opposite operations, okay? Don't forget that. In addition, in mental addition, this is very much important. If you add to a number, then you have to subtract from the other number. If you subtract from a number, then you have to add to the next number, the efficiency values. You have to change the process, okay? Don't forget that. That is very much important, okay? Okay, now 42 minus 2 is 40 and 74 plus 2 will give me 76. So 40 plus 76 will give me 160. Okay, isn't it easier? Yes. We'll go for another one problem. It is 74 plus 83. I'm having 74 and 83 and as 3 is much closer to multiple of 10 and it's much easier for reducing, so I'll take 83. I'll convert 83 to 80 by reducing the 3 from the 83. So as I have reduced here, I have to add the 3 to the next number. Next number here is 74. So I'll add the 3 to the next number, which is 74 plus 3 will give me 77. So 83 minus 3 will give me 80 and 74 plus 3 will give me 77. So adding these two, I'll be getting 157. So 74 plus 83 will give me 157. Okay. I think so everyone will be much clear with this concept, and if you have any doubt, either mail me or comment it in the comment box. And if you have not yet subscribe my channel, practice problems, frame your own question and try it yourself to solve any number, any two-digit number addition, and share it with your friends too. Okay, bye. Thank you.